Is Crashrpt reporting the Crashrpt library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. As we prepare to resolve Crashrpt library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Crashrpt library, the Crashrpt error reporting library. It manages the unmanaged localized collection of localized crash, localized telemetry, and localized facilitates the localized submission of localized memory dump manifests to developers. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. If your software is failing because of Crashrpt library DLL, the internal file mapping for Crashrpt is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program showing the error will re-register the library and fix the error. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Crashrpt library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Replacing Crashrpt library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility reference below includes information related to Crashrpt library synchronization. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Crashrpt library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.